What's going on, everybody? My name is Barry. Thank you for watching today's episode. Today I start in Petersburg, Virginia, and I'm so excited because I'm going to Baltimore so I can turn my car in. When I'm saying turn my car in, I'm talking about like I'm putting my car on a boat. I'm putting my RCF on a boat and we're going somewhere. So I'm really excited for that. And then it's just gonna be a new adventure. Let's just say that it's gonna be a very new adventure. Oh man, it's been so long since I've been on the road. Just makes me want to speed. I miss driving with the sound of his exhaust and his engine. So much thrill. Petersburg and Hopewell, Virginia, going towards Baltimore. First time I've ever seen this place in daylight. So one requirement for me to ship my car is that it's clean inside and outside. I'm gonna have to go drop off everything that I have right now in a hotel. But another requirement is I need to have 1/4 of a tank of gas or less. I'm currently at half. And I have about, I don't know, 130 miles left to go, so I might have a lot of fun. It's saying there's police ahead. Let's see. So earlier I said there was a police officer on the road. I wonder if that guy's it. I wonder if that guy all the way up front of me is it. It's a Ford Explorer. I mean, maybe that's a police officer. I see a bunch of antennas on top. Who knows? All I know is that I'm from California and Virginia doesn't like cars that are customized. Let's just say that. So, it's gonna suck for me. Not gonna get me today. No, sir.
In 1 mile.
But everyone seems to be out of my way today. It's kind of enticing me to speed around a little bit. Man, I have missed doing that. That was fun. Just a short sprint to 100, that was fun. Where I came from, what I was doing for the past months, I could not drive on this highway, and it's just such a great feeling to be able to just go. It's amazing. I think I found myself a race. This guy right here. I think he wants to go. If Waze permits me, I'll probably do it. Maybe he didn't want none. What I just did was like a racer flyby. He was recording me, I was recording him. Oh well. Did a whole lot of me speeding and him taking out his camera just to record me. I guess they don't really have much RCFs out here in Virginia. I was trying to see if he wanted to do something, but he didn't really want to do anything. So maybe he knew what was up inside the engine. At the end of the day, I did a bunch of racer flybys and shame. BWI Airport, here I come. Looks like I need to add some gas because I am way less than a quarter. I'm at an eighth, and I still need to go to a lot of places, so I need gas. Well, I have about 30 more miles to go, so I think I'm at eighth of a tank, so I think I'm gonna need probably a good 3 gallons, maybe 4 gallons, maybe 3 or 4. I'll do 4. I want to say adding 4 gallons is a good amount because going 30 miles there and then driving around, and it's a V8, 5.0 V8, sounds pretty good to me. Back on the freeway we go. My car is empty, but I still got to be less than a quarter tank of gas, so I think I'm gonna do some driving. I've got 2 hours to kill. It's kind of crazy how removing 140 pounds, 150 pounds from the car, from the trunk, really lightens up this car. It's crazy. Acceleration just that much more. Imagine really doing some weight reduction in this car. Hey, look at that, downtown Baltimore. Wow. We got the M&T Bank Stadium right here. Man, what else is out here? Baltimore looking kind of cool at daytime. So I'm at this car wash place because, well, my car's dirty. I mean, car's very dirty. So one of the requirements is quarter tank gas. I got that. Now the car needs to be cleaned inside and out. Inside I already got, outside it's not, because I drove 130 miles over here from Virginia to Maryland. So I gotta get a car wash. So I'm gonna go through that touch-free car wash right there. And the gentleman said I couldn't go through the all-cloth one because there's rails that will take off my splitter. So that would be bad. That's what I would not want. But thankfully he told me that. So now I'm just gonna drive through, and then they're gonna do whatever they do. Hopefully my carbon fiber roof is okay. That's all I really care about, you know.
And thank you again for your car wash purchase.
Well, this is interesting. I'm getting covered in a bunch of soap jizz. It's like a raven here. Man, this guy's nice. He is using the cloth to wash my windows, even though it's a touch-free car wash. He's using the cloth, which is pretty cool. What I'm really hoping for is that they get my diffuser, because there's a lot of dirt. So I can't transport any dirt, because if I go somewhere with dirt that's not from where it's supposed to be, then that's like invasive species and this and that. So you can't travel with a dirty car, or you can't ship a car that's dirty. Well, maybe it's not the best. Look at this. It's so much water left. Key to getting all this water off is I gotta probably speed it off. Well, I guess that's what I'll do again. Keep speeding. This is good. No police officer, so I can probably do it. Alright, and here I am. Washed my car just for it to get dirty again. Look at this place. Well, going through my inspection right now, and they're saying I can't carry this because it's not mounted, so I gotta take out my sub, so I can't even find the right Allen key. I'm gonna have my tools with me. I guess I just have to rip shit out. I really don't want to, but I'm going to have to. Well, just like that, just yanked it all out. Now I gotta make sure that none of this touches. The car is currently getting inspected before it gets sent. They have to take out the back license plate, and now they're doing a picture documentation of the car. Oh man, did it start up without me knowing? Okay, not bad. Good to know all my lights work. And just like that, the car goes away. Alright everyone, that's going to conclude today's video. I hope that was somewhat entertaining and somewhat helpful for you guys that are planning to ship your car anywhere. It was a hassle for me. You have to have everything got clean. You can't have subs in the trunk. You got to have all the live wires taped up. You can't have anything. So nothing's inside, outside, all cleaned up. They do pictures everywhere, and then they eventually set it. So alright guys, hope you guys learned something, and please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next video. Peace.